Hi, welcome. This reading is timeless. It finds you and you need to hear it the most. Overall energy, 3 of Wands. You are expecting something. You put work toward the project, toward the situation, a circumstance, and now you are expecting some results. In the past, Queen of Cups, Page of Pentacles, the Star. Yes, you put to work, started the project, something that you desired. You're toward a wish that you had from quite a long time, I am picking up. Now, the present energy, 5 of Wands, 8 of Cups, Queen of Pentacles. It is a moment of stagnation, of kind of a stop. I feel an internal conflict. Something from the past, maybe a fear, came and came in the middle of this process and made you look back. But I see that you are overcoming this tiny obstacle. Yes, in the future, 10 of Swords, ending this 5 of Pentacles, moving away from any situation that brings you lack. Yes, you are rebalancing energy with this Temperance. Maybe someone comes towards you with a proposal I'm picking up. Someone that matches your energy. Okay, let's see. 3 of Wands. It's clarified by 2 of Cups and Queen of Cups. Maybe all this project that you put all the work in, all that you desire, is a connection. And you are expecting to have a new chance, a new beginning with this connection. That you put the work to manifest a new beginning, a new proposal from this person. You wanted somehow to come back. This energy in your life I am picking up. Maybe you work towards yourself. And deep inside you was the thought that this will mirror in the other person, They will pick up the energy and they will come around. Okay, 5 of Wands. Let's see the present energies clarified by the Fool and the Sun. 8 of Cups is clarified by 5 of Swords and the High Priest. Queen of Pentacles is clarified by 9 of Cups and the Empress. Oh, the good thing is that even so you put all the energy, all the work in to make this connection happen. You started from a point of lack, from a point of I need that person so I can feel whole, worthy. But putting all that work toward yourself, now you get to a point where practically you don't need anymore that energy, You are not vibrating toward this connection from that point of lack, of need, of low self-esteem, low self-worth, Now you are in the energy of the Empress, man or female. That's an archetype of energy, which means that you are empowered, you are fertile, you are birthing into your world the thing that you desire. Ten of Swords is clarified by Page of Wands and Ace of Pentacles. 5 of Pentacles is clarified by 10 of Pentacles and 2 of Pentacles. Temperance is clarified by 8 of Swords and 5 of Pentacles. Okay. Somehow in the future, you are managing to have this new beginning in your life on your own, by yourself. And you are leaving behind not disconnection entirely, but the the distorted energy of that connection, you know. Yes, that's okay. Let's see what the universe advises you. In the end, leaving behind all that energy that did not make you feel so good resides in your power. I am picking up. So at the end of the day, it is your decision to feel or to not feel empowered, because now you understand the energetic exchange inside this connection. I am picking up that this connection is not disappearing from your life. At least for now, it is in your life. You two souls have a contract, and this contract is in full evolution. How all this will turn up, I'm seeing that you will meet again, but I don't know how the result will be this time. Okay. So this I have for you now. I hope this helps you. Like, subscribe for future guidance, and I am seeing you next time. Bye bye.